Oh, I gotta go in front of this yellow tape. I'm finna go over here. Oh, I'm in front of the yellow tape, y'all. I'm gonna get in trouble. It's the glare. Y'all can't see behind the lights. Y'all can't see behind the lights. It's the lights, man. Okay, they walking another one. They walking another one. They walking another one, I think. And they got SWATs here too. Big SWAT. Big SWAT. How you doing? Did y'all get what y'all was looking for? Okay. Oh, the property manager is here. He said he the property manager for the house. That's the property manager, bitch. Yeah, vehicle's about to come straight through here. That's the property manager is on the scene. They finna get evicted now. Oh shit. A slew of vehicles finna come through because they're putting them in the back of them. People do it. Yeah, I got you. Y'all want to see inside the car? I'm gonna try to peek inside the car while they pulling off. I'm gonna try to put it inside the car while they pulling off. Sir, are you the property manager? Yes. Did you know that when you rented this home to Nature Boy, what was gonna take place? I didn't even know who the hell. You didn't know? You didn't know he was Nature Boy from Carbonation? What did he tell you? Like he was a broadcaster or something? No. Cause I know he ain't got no proof of income. But he's paying good rent. He's paying good rent. He ain't never been late. Never. Oh wow. Okay. You know much about him, right? I know a lot about him. No, I don't want to be on camera tonight. If I was ready to be on camera, you know, I would go ahead and interview for you. You want to do a podcast? They have podcasts for the news. Are you on live or something? Yeah, this is where he go live at. No, you're not on here. Oh, okay. No. Damn, so he was never late on rent and he be begging us for money. Who are you? I'm sorry. I'm one of the fellow coworkers. We all work on this app. This is the app we work on. Like we've been following him for years. At one point he was banned from the United States. He was in Puerto Rico hiding. No wonder he has a Puerto Rico phone number. Yeah. You'll tell me he's African. Yeah, he African. We don't. Oh, they bringing more in. Hold on, let me see if y'all can see him. Yeah, this the whole cult you had living in your house, baby. It's a whole cult, baby. Oh, they bringing more in. He getting in the car. Look, did you see him? Mo, he right. He get big. There. He get in the car. Ooh. He ain't African. There's nothing behind you, bud. What's that? There's nothing behind you. How long have y'all been looking for Nature Boy? Can you tell me? I'm sorry. How long have y'all been looking for Nature Boy? I'm not sure who that is. Oh, okay. That's the person y'all got, the main person. I got you. You was wanted? No, I know he flee. They say he fled from the United States for a while to Puerto Rico. Is that him coming? No. That's not him. They already got him. So you told me he was a wanted person? Yeah, he fled from the United States for a while. He was wanted. This the SWATs and everything. His name is Elijah. Yeah. That's his real name. Mm-hmm. He run a cult called the I found out not long ago about that. Yeah, he run a cult. They was shooting a docuseries. I don't know how things went wrong. Carbonation. Yeah, baby. Go ahead and run me up. Shout out to Keys to the Streets, period. This is the Keys to the Street production. Period. This is the Keys to the Street production. He in the back of the car. Shout out to 21 Bad Bitch. Hey, Sissy. Hey, YouTube. Okay, I think they're going to get the rest. Thank you. Can y'all bust my box open, please?
Yeah, this guy, they said he was wanted here and he fled to Puerto Rico.
Yeah, he fled to Puerto Rico.
And what is his real name?
Elegio.
Elegio?
Yeah.
And what's his last name?
I think what's his last name, y'all? It wasn't Puerto Rico, it was Hawaii too, and Panama. He went to Panama, Hawaii, and Puerto Rico.
You want to talk to my producer right quick?
You who?
Yeah.
Hello?
Cedric.
Hello, Cedric. I can't hear him. Put him on speaker. I'm trying to.
Oh. Yeah.
Cedric. Yeah, Bishop. His last name is Bishop. Okay, he in the bed. He in the bed.
So, okay, so what happened, ma'am?
Yeah, he's a...
He's just a well-known cult leader called Carbonation. It's like people who don't really believe in God, they believe that he's the Messiah. And they do whatever he needs them to do.
And that's the County Police out there, correct?
Yeah, that's the CAP and the SWAT. They've been looking for him. Okay. Oh, shit. This is serious, honey. Right. Oh, shit. Oh, what the fuck, bitch? What?
Ain't that right? Look.
What? Hey! Hi, Grady.
Y'all say what's up to Yo, I didn't do what I did. What's
period.
The motherfuckers acting like they thinking the president.
Can I ask you a question? But I don't want to be too inclusive. I just want to know how long have y'all been looking for him, because he's been on the run for a while. Do you know?
I don't know.
Okay. Who you with, the SWATs or DCAB?
DCAB.
Okay. So.
I'm a detective.
Oh, okay. And why was they called? Was it from the abuse? What was the lead? Can you tell me?
I want to get you somebody that can.
Okay.
We want to
get it over here.
We live in the neighborhood. We want to just know what's going on in the neighborhood. We live here.
Okay.
Yeah, we gotta live out here. We gotta know what's going on in our neighborhood.
So it's no SWATs out here. This was all DCAB.
No SWATs.
Oh, it was SWATs. Okay, they left. Okay. Be careful.
That's the big homie.
Ooh. Ooh. Greedy say, hey, they didn't see you.
I had to do what I did, whatever it was.
Okay, we will. No problem. Is there anybody left? Oh, yeah, it is. There go another one right there. He getting in. Oh, it's plenty left. It was a lot of them. Oh, so the white boy was the feds, because he ain't locked up. He ain't locked up. The new boy.
So the new dude that was over there, he was just snitch.
Oh my God.
Oh shit.
The white boy was the feds. With the
oh shit.
Oh my God. They is not locking him up. He just standing there watching. Oh, I know he nervous. To be an undercover, this gotta be a dangerous game. That's gotta be a dangerous game.
I'm on the scene, nigga.
He mixed or something.
Detective Low out this bitch getting
bitch.
T.
We're out getting a skill. Big T.
Who? Yeah, I'm right here with Low right here. Look, matter of fact.
Yeah, I'm here. Hey. Swing on me? That's my nephew. What do you got to swing on me for? I'm still at 5 stars.
But look,
give me to a box. Give me to a box. Give me to a box.
I want to get a close up on the white.
Give me to a box. Give me to a box. Give me to a box. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, let me cover the screen up.
News camera right there. I'm ready. Hey, look, I'm ready to get an interview.
Let me cover the screen up. Can y'all give me to a box, please? Y'all better go over there with Greedy.
Is that the news dude right there?
Yeah. He wants somebody to do an interview too.
Hey, excuse me,
he'll do an interview. Yeah. I ain't doing no interview. I ain't doing no interview.
Big greedy. You know I'm gonna say I had to do what I did.
I
I
ain't doing
swear
no
to God,
interview.
I'm gonna say it. I had to do what I did, whatever it was. Shut up.
I don't want no parts of this. This the live that he was working on and stuff. We all been following them for years. Yeah.
Yeah, you said what happened?
I'm just trying to figure out what went different this time because they ain't never did all this before.
Yeah, I'm a.
Here go another one, y'all, coming in the
Yeah, I'm
car.
the biggest greedy. I live in a big mansion neighborhood.
Here go another one coming in the car, y'all. Oh, he behind the tents.
Y'all can be like, man, that boy, greedy boy. Yeah, I heard. Hey, what the fuck happened with you and Charlie?
That bitch pepper sprayed my motherfucking back. I'm finna press charges on his ass too.
So Charlie was
And
here
he say,
first.
yeah, he was here first. I came and took over the scene. Carbonation, be
Damn,
careful.
man, that shit
Be careful,
crazy, man. I wish,
carbonation.
man, Big Greedy hit me, man. I got
Be
you with the
careful.
commissary. I got you with the commissary.
Ain't no commissary. They probably ain't even gonna stay there long. Or is it guilty by association?
He beat me earlier. I mean, he beat him earlier, y'all, so we got a man solid. Y'all beat him.
Oh, thank you for the voice. Who sent me that? I don't need no voice changer right now. You said change it. He said change the tape location.
Big Low, the
Damn.
biggest. Yeah, tell him what's up, Low. Low is on the scene.
I'm on the scene.
Y'all run it up, y'all. Do not let them beat me, y'all. It's 2,000 people in here, y'all. Y'all do y'all thing.
I'm not doing no interview. Greedy could do an interview. I'm not doing no interview. Robert, you better mind your business, bitch. I'm not doing no interview, Brandon. Come on out. I need 2,000 more beans. I need 2,000 more. I need 2,000 more. Is everybody gone from the house now?
I'm not sure.
And you don't know nothing? You just out here. Damn. You ain't even got on nothing to protect you.
No,
Just naked.
just naked, don't know nothing.
Jesus Christ. Jesus is the reason for the season. Jesus is the reason for the season.
Well, basically, he go live and broadcast everything to his life, blah, blah.
Run it up, run it up. Run it up, baby. Run it up. You thought how great it is, though. Bitch, I'm telling all the tea. I don't give a fuck. Anything I know, I'm gonna tell.
Yeah, I'm big greedy, the biggest. He feel me.
The big ass. Can you turn your light back on, sir? So we can get some clear footage. He want that interview. He want that interview, baby.
Let me lose. Not let me lose, y'all.
Can you turn the light back on, sir, so we can get a clear footage? Run it up, run it up, run it up. I should have came out earlier.
Y'all get their ass.
If you ever, I need you. I do. I don't got no lights. I'm gonna have to pull my car closer.
Okay.
I'm asking him to turn his light. He got the big ass. There you go. He just turned it on. He got the big ass camera.
All right, y'all, look.
What, Alex? Logo, talk to the neighbors. I don't know where the neighbors at. The neighbors in their house.
Neighbors right here.
No, that's the owner.
You the owner of that house? That property? Did you know?
That's the landlord.
So did you know that all that was going on in there?
Did you know he was whooping bitches' asses in there and taking them to an antichrist? Bitch, with the kids watching. Did you know that your
He said he was getting a lot of complaints complaints around from the neighbors, noise complaints from the women.
Yeah. He got the big speakers in there for the rituals. He got the big speakers for the rituals. It was giving rituals in there. Period. What is Brianna talking about? It was giving rituals. Oh, he doing his interview. This is so ghetto. Landlord.
You are the landlord, correct? Property manager? So tell me your name.
My name Abdul, so they call me Greedy. I'm a known entertainer.
We have an interview on scene.
Tell me your name.
Yeah, my name Abdul. They call me Greedy. I'm a known entertainer. I do the social media business. That's how I came to be acquainted.
The news station is channel.
That's what's going on right now.
Channel.
So you live in this neighborhood?
Yeah, I do.
Channel
I live
2.
in this neighborhood. Matter of fact, I got a nice big house right up there that I sleep peacefully in. Or which
That's his big house.
Peacefully in.
So how do you know this guy?
Basically, he is an entertainer at such an ass. So, like I said, I might watch him and tune in, but is he kind of like it's like a cult that he has that he got girls over there, whole pack of girls over there, like they cult.
How do you know about this?
Basically, I seen it with my own eyes over the live video too, but
Not put me on TV associated with this.
Yeah, that was crazy.
I had to do what I did.
To be honest, I hate to laugh like this because it's not funny, but it's like a range. It's like a whole assortment. It's like girls, like from what I see, him like 6, 7 girls. There is him that he just presides.
6
over,
boys.
like at the King. Yes, he had some boys recently added. I don't know what that reservation was, but as I said, it is definitely concerning.
And your name again?
My name is Gritty Boy. I had to do what I did, but my real name Abdul.
Abdul. And can you spell it?
Abdul, I can spell my Instagram.
I got no makeup
Your
on.
name.
A-B.
Let me get my mask out the car. I'll do it. Let me do it. Let me get my mask out the car so I can do an interview. If I got my mask on, they ain't gonna be able to see too much. Let me get my mask out the car so I can do an interview under conciliation. Do y'all think I should do an interview real quick? Do y'all think I should do? Do y'all think I should do an interview real quick?
Look what happened to the girls, bro.
The girls already went. Everybody went to jail.
For real, so everybody, that's crazy.
I guess, or they might be going. They might be going to like speak about. I don't know. I don't know.
Here. No, stop when I say
Hey, what's up? Okay, boo.
Hold on, y'all. Let me take juice.
If I do an interview, I can do it with my. Was that good? Is that all you needed?
Yeah, but
Okay.
do you live in this neighborhood?
No, I don't live in this neighborhood.
Yeah, okay.
I'm just a coworker.
Oh, okay. I want somebody who lives
She
here.
one of his co-workers.
Yeah, I'm a coworker.
Oh, you used to work with him?
Yeah, we all work
all
together.
co-workers.
We all work
Yeah.
together. We all work together.
We all on this together. That's why we out here.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna film you, I guess. I'm gonna turn the camera on. How you put it on your screen?
Oh no, I don't want to. Let me put it like this. Okay, let me see.
I'm gonna do. Hey, look.
Okay,
All right, y'all. We ready to watch the low interview?
okay, y'all. Hold on. Let me get a C. Where's the microphone?
Yeah, hold on 1 second.
Okay. Put me on channel 6 news.
No, channel 2. No, 6. Okay, so tell me your name.
Hi, I'm Madam Lowe.
Okay.
Should I hold this?
No, I got it.
Okay.
Okay, so how do you know him?
I'm Nature Boy's co-worker.
For how long?
We've been co-workers for about 2 years.
So what is going on now?
Well, apparently the SWAT has gotten involved in DeKalb County, and Nature Boy is under arrest, as well as the entire Carbon Nation. 6 women, 6 guys, all believe that Nature Boy is their god, and they have now arrested him and put him in the slumpers, the clunkers, the clinkers, the clackers, and we are live trying to get what's going on out here.
But he's your co-worker, right?
Correct. He's
Or
my coworker.
was he your co-worker, or he's still a co-worker?
He's still my coworker. Even if he's locked up, we know that we're going to be able to get him out.
Okay, and what does he do?
Well, Nature Boy is a cult leader. Carbon Nation is his cult. Over the past few years, he's been whooping girls, beating on girls, fertilizing girls, getting girls ready for marriage that never showed up. What else has he done? He's traveled to Puerto Rico, Hawaii, all fleeing from the SWATs. The SWATs finally got the location tonight, and we're just concerned for Malia, and we're concerned for Nefertiti and all those people. We don't know what's going to take place.
And you are part of it.
Well, I'm not a part of Carbon Nation, but I'm an alliance. I'm a
Because you said you are a co-worker to him.
yeah, I'm a coworker.
So
just that's his side of the department. My department is human health care and transgender advocacy. But his part of the department is, the cult.
Since you are a co-worker, you were also enabling him to do what he was doing.
Well, we do kind of enable by sending cash apps. We enable by paying these people. Oh, excuse me. I just want to adjust my mask. COVID-19, 6 feet, no issue. Yeah, so we send CAs.
No, but I mean, like, you were enabling him because you are a co-worker.
Well, I don't want to say I was enabling because, that would make me an accomplice. I didn't, know him too well, but all I was responsible for was the great amount of following he has. You know what I'm saying?
And what's your name again?
My name is Madam Lowe.
Spell it.
MADAMLO. I'm in charge of the girls.
You are in charge of the girls.
I'm in charge of the girls.
How are they recruited?
So they're recruited through social media. Oh, telephone call. They're recruited through social media, platforms like YouTube, Bigo. Shout out to Bigo. Be sure to follow me on Bigo at the Madam, THAMADAM, and as well as Facebook, Twitter, Grindr, Scruff.
Is there an abuse going on there?
There is abuse going on.
So how come you don't report to the police and you are enabling abuse?
Well, we have called the police several times. We have called the police numerous times. And when they get there, they just do a quality assurance check and go on home.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, baby. Thank you.